Hello everyone, welcome to day 12 of designing thumbnails with me, Creator Sauce. I'm quite really enjoying this. Today's thumbnail is from Nextco, how to generate the most creative ideas even if you are not creative. Let's get started. I'll draw a frame. The frame size will be 1920 by 1080. Let's me rename it to day 12. Let me resize it, something like this. Okay, so this is, I think, challenging. So what I'll do is I'll quickly just trace it with the pen tool and we will be good to go. So let me do something like this. Let's press it. We won't be using any curves. It will be something like this only. Since it has a neutral color, so the curves won't be, visible. It won't be, looking like imperfect or anything. And here, something like this. And okay, so one part of this thumbnail is ready. Let me just color it to this color, which is not black. And now let's start tracing this upper part. We'll start from here. Let's go here. Okay, let's move it here, then here. And this part is ready too. Let me add a fill and I'll remove the stroke and I'll just color this one red. Now we have these two guys ready. Let's move them inside a frame. And I need just two rectangles, half the size of this frame. So let's just make it height 1080 by 2. And let's increase its width and move it here. And let me move it backward. Just move this guy here. And this one should be one down. Okay. So now this looks good. Okay. There's some mistake, I think so. Now let's color this one, the frame, as this color. And let's color this one as red. So now our thumbnail is ready, but I'll add some touch of mine. So what I'll do is, first of all, let me just adjust this one. Now let me lock all of these. Also, let me check if these guys are at the center. Now they are at the center. Let's log them. Now what I'll do is I'll add a text, design, and I'll add one more, this. Now let's increase the size to somewhere near 200. Or let's make them 190 and make them black. Roboto. This one too. Roboto black. And let me just move this one here and let me move this one here. So this is 32 pixels away. Let's just make them 30. So now we'll just nudge both of them. And let's color this guy as red and this one as black. So now there's a black line over here. Just nudge it downwards. And I think we are good to go. But there's, something empty here. So I'll add something like this. And now this is okay. So our thumbnail is ready, guys. Do let me know if this was tough to make or very easy. For me, it was very easy. So please like this video, subscribe to the channel. More videos coming soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.